everyone! Welcome to my mini vlog. So today, we're going to talk about something that's part of our everyday lives, ICT and multimedia in 21st century. So, let's start! ICT stands for Information, Communication, and Technology. It includes the tools we use to create, store, and share information like computers, the internet, and mobile devices. Meanwhile, multimedia is a combination of text, audio, video, and animations to communicate messages in a more creative and engaging way. In 21st century, ICT and multimedia are everywhere. We use them to communicate, study, work, or even entertain ourselves. Social media let us connect with people across the world, while tools help us express our creativity in a good way. In education, ICT makes learning flexible and accessible. Students can research, collaborate online, and explore new knowledge with just one click. In society, it helps spread awareness, improve communication, and even support business and government to work efficiently. But of course, there are challenges too in using ICT, just like cyberbullying and fake news. That's why it is important to use ICT and multimedia responsibly. It is to inform, not to harm. ICT and multimedia truly shape our 21st century world. They help us learn, connect, and grow. But it's up to us to use them wisely.